Friends, let's talk about a big dream. The dream of creating software, apps, or websites without writing a single line of code. For decades, a wall called coding separated great ideas from reality. Only developers held the keys to building the future. The no-code movement began to break down that wall, aiming to empower everyone, not just programmers, to build digital tools. Imagine a business owner creating their own inventory system, or a teacher building a custom learning app. The promise: democratize technology and unleash creativity stuck behind technical barriers. In today's digital-first world, having an online presence is essential for survival and growth. The ability to quickly build and launch ideas is the most valuable skill of the century. No-code tools sparked innovation, letting people drag and drop elements to create websites and simple apps. It felt like magic, a taste of what was possible. But these tools were just the beginning. They were great for simple projects, but had serious limitations. Like riding a bike with training wheels, you could get around but not go far. The dream was alive, but the journey had only started. The next step was to build tools that could handle real-world complexity. The world needed a way to turn any idea into a powerful, scalable product, without compromise. The dream: true empowerment for creators everywhere. The question: how do we get there? The answer would require a revolution in how we build software, and that revolution was about to arrive. The dream of building without code was no longer impossible. It was about to become reality. The first no-code platforms were a breakthrough, but they came with big limitations. You could only build with the blocks they provided. Anything unique was often impossible. This walled garden meant you were locked into their platform, pricing, and rules. Scalability was another issue, great for prototypes, but apps slowed down as they grew. Most tools focused on the front end, ignoring the complex back end. Databases, logic, payments. Stitching together services became complicated and expensive. True ownership was missing. You didn't get the source code, just rented access. If the platform changed or shut down, your business was at risk. You couldn't move your app or customize it beyond their limits. The lack of control and flexibility was a deal-breaker for serious creators. The dream of no-code was still out of reach for those who wanted to build real, lasting products. The world needed a tool that offered freedom, scalability, and true ownership. The next evolution had to break down these barriers. The promise of no-code was clear, but the tools weren't there yet. The search for a real solution continued. And then, something new arrived. Enter Rocket, a true game-changer. Rocket isn't just another no-code tool. It's a paradigm shift powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of giving you blocks, Rocket gives you an AI team. Developers, designers, engineers, working for you 24/7. Rocket solves every limitation of old platforms. No more trade-offs between ease, power, or ownership. Describe your idea in plain language, and Rocket's AI generates a complete, production-ready app. Front-end, back-end, database, and logic. Old tools gave you Lego bricks. Rocket gives you a master builder who brings your vision to life. You get the blueprint, the finished product, and the keys. Rocket is a launchpad, not a closed system. The final product is yours, completely. For the first time, your imagination, not your technical skill, sets the limit. Rocket bridges the gap between idea and execution. The dream of building without code is now a reality. How does Rocket's AI magic work? It starts with a simple prompt. Describe your app in plain English. Rocket's AI system analyzes your idea, breaks it into technical specs, and designs the database. Specialized AIs handle back-end code, APIs, authentication, payments, and business logic. Meanwhile, front-end AIs design a modern, responsive interface. The result: full-stack automation, not just a visual builder. Rocket's AI coordinates every layer, ensuring a cohesive, integrated application. It's like having an elite software team working at lightning speed. The process is simple for you, but complex and powerful behind the scenes. This holistic approach sets Rocket apart. The magic is in the AI's seamless collaboration. Let's see Rocket in action. Meet Priya, an entrepreneur with an idea. Review Reply, a SaaS app for restaurant owners to manage online reviews. She wants to pull in reviews from Google and Yelp, use AI to suggest replies, and let owners post responses directly. In the past, this would take months and thousands of dollars. With Rocket, Priya simply describes her app in a text box. She lists features, subscriptions, integrations, dashboards, AI replies, user logins. Rocket's AI gets to work. In minutes, Priya receives a live, fully functional app. Login, dashboard, payment system, and all. She can test, refine, and update her app instantly. Want a new color scheme or a dashboard chart? Just ask. Rocket makes changes in seconds. Priya goes from idea to product in under an hour. That's the power of AI-driven building. Rocket is more than a UI builder. It's a full application builder. The AI designs a custom scalable database for your app, not a generic template. It writes back-end APIs for secure data management, optimized for performance and security, payments and authentication. Rocket integrates with Stripe, sets up subscriptions, and builds secure login systems automatically. Deployment is instant. Your app is live on the cloud, ready for users. The most revolutionary feature: code export. With one click, download the entire professional-grade source code, React, Python, Node.js, and more. No proprietary formats, just clean, developer-friendly code. You own it, modify it, and host it anywhere. Rocket gives you true ownership and freedom. It's your app, your code, your future. Ownership is Rocket's biggest breakthrough. Unlike old platforms, you're not renting. You own your app and its code. Download, store, and modify it however you want. No more platform lock-in or starting over if you outgrow the tool. If your app succeeds, hand the code to any developer. They can extend and scale it. Rocket lets you build your MVP fast, test in the real world, and keep the foundation for your company. The code is yours, even if Rocket disappears. You control your business, your product, your destiny. This is true digital sovereignty. Build with the speed of no code, but the freedom of traditional code. Rocket unites the best of both worlds. The creator is finally in control. That's the future of building. Rocket isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap. Old no-code tools like Bubble or Webflow pioneered visual development but kept you inside their closed systems. Scalability and flexibility were always limited. Rocket's AI generates standard high-quality code. No more ceilings, it automates the entire process. Database, backend, UI, and connections, all from your description. The result? A real software application, not just a project stuck on someone else's platform. You own it, modify it, and host it anywhere. Old tools gave you temporary solutions. Rocket gives you a permanent foundation. It's a complete redefinition of building without code. The future is here, and it's yours to shape. Who is Rocket for? The answer: anyone with an idea. Startups, indie founders, small businesses, and non-tech creators all can build sophisticated apps fast and affordably. No more waiting months or raising huge capital to hire engineers. Test ideas, launch products, and level the playing field. Experts and small businesses can build their own tools, tailored to their needs. Rocket unlocks a wave of niche, hyper-specific software never before possible. And developers? Rocket is their ultimate assistant. It handles the repetitive work, freeing them to focus on the hardest, most creative problems. It's not no code versus code. It's human creativity plus AI. The barriers are gone. The future of building is open to everyone. The only limit is your imagination. Welcome to the new era of creation.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.